I'm excited to show you not just tech gadgets, but also these amazing items today. Having traveled to over 35 countries, I've gained insights into what essentials are worth bringing along, so I can assure you that this video will be incredibly practical for you. This time, I went to Japan for 2 weeks.
What?
I'll be showcasing items in 3 main categories: airplane, hotel, and city. Let's kick things off with airplane, specifically focusing on carry-on items. One standout product, let me rephrase it, a must-have item is this magnetic phone or iPad mini holder. Trust me, you definitely want this for your in-flight experience. The setup is super easy. With this holder, look, it's magnetic and it can hold your iPhone, even iPad mini.
Wow!
This can clip it to the seat, and allows you to access the tray table while enjoying your favorite shows during mealtime. It's a game changer for those long flights. If you're someone who watches in-flight movies, this AirFly is a must-have as it enables you to use your own earbuds, or AirPods instead of the crappy airline-provided earphones. If I explain, this works like this. Plug the AirFly into the plane's headphone jack to turn AirFly on and connect with your headphones or earbuds via Bluetooth. AirFly receives the sound from the screen and sends it to your headphones wirelessly, so you can watch in-flight movies with your earphones or favorite headphones. I know you may know, but let me say this, don't forget to download your favorite shows on Netflix beforehand. Now you have enough episodes to kill time even without an internet connection. My earbuds of choice are the Nothing Ear A. They look fantastic in my opinion. Because, look, transparent. I like transparent design. Anyway, this offers impressive active noise cancellation. On flights, I prefer using the Nothing phone because I keep all my favorite Spotify songs here. I use Spotify to download the songs. However, I also have the AirPods Pro with me as an alternative, especially when I use the iPad mini. When it comes to AirPods and earbuds, I'm sure we've all experienced that moment of panic when we drop them on an airplane and have to frantically search for them. In the worst case scenario, they might even get lost.
What?
That's why I recommend these handy earbud straps for just $8.
Ooh.
They'll keep your earbuds securely attached, whether you're on the plane or out for a run. When you're not using your AirPods, just hanging them around your neck is super handy. Seriously, if you want to keep your AirPods or earbuds from getting lost, you should definitely get these.
Yeah.
This is also amazing. Having these earplugs with you on the plane can significantly enhance your sleep experience.
Wow.
When you're tired of watching movies or reading but just want to rest, simply use these earplugs to block out most of the ambient noise. Pair them with your headphones, like the Sony XM1000M4 with its excellent sound quality and top-notch noise cancellation, and you'll be in for a peaceful journey. I strongly suggest bringing a sling bag on your flight. It's perfect for storing essential items. I have tons of tech gears in here.
Wow!
One thing you'll definitely need is a portable charger. This Anker 3-in-1 model is excellent. It offers 30-watt charging for your devices and even has an AC plug. What makes it really convenient is the built-in cable, so you don't have to pack an extra one. If you do want to charge multiple devices, there's an additional port available. The display screen shows you the exact battery percentage, which is quite useful. Overall, it's an incredibly handy gadget for travelers. To stay hydrated on the go, I carry the slim Memo water bottle, which conveniently fits in this pocket. The regular bottles won't fit in here. I highly recommend this when you travel. All these items are neatly organized in my Bellroy sling bag, keeping everything easily accessible during your travels. Saying this from my experience, it's not worth carrying a Kindle or Nintendo Switch. I always don't end up using them. Adios amigos. Don't get me wrong though. Switch and Kindle are awesome. For those who brings the Nintendo Switch, these 2 items are amazing and you should get them. To get to know more about these, check this out. You won't regret it. AirTag and this AirTag card are must-haves too. If you are an Android user, you should get a Chipolo one. If you are enjoying the video so far, give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Hero Clip. This combines the functionality of a clip, hook, and carabiner. The Hero Clip's rotating hook provides an easy and reliable way to suspend gear, such as a backpack from the ground. It can support a surprising amount of weight, making it perfect for holding travel backpacks. You would find this handy when you go to the bathroom in the airport, as no one wants to leave their backpack on the dirty floor. The Hero Clip is compact and lightweight, making it a practical addition to your travel gear. Now, let's talk about essentials for your hotel stay. When you first arrive at a hotel, what's the first thing you want to do? Relax, right? And what's better than unwinding to your favorite music? Instead of lugging around a bulky and heavy speaker, consider getting a compact and affordable speaker that offers surprisingly clear and great sound quality. It can even get loud if you want to set the mood and volume just right. Another item you'll appreciate is a pair of slippers. After a long day of travel, stepping into your hotel room and taking off your shoes to relax is a great feeling, but the thought of putting your shoes back on to move around the room can be a hassle. That's where portable sandals or slippers come in handy. When it comes to charging your devices at the hotel, have you ever found yourself in a competition with your partner to see who has the least battery left on their phone? Instead of getting into that war, why not invest in a versatile charger that can handle all your charging needs? Consider getting a charger that can power up not just your phones, but also your laptop and multiple devices simultaneously. You could opt for a powerful 67 watts Anker charger, 2 USB-C ports, and a USB port enabling lightning-fast charging even for your MacBook and iPad simultaneously. This compact design makes it my ultimate favorite. Previously I introduced this charger, but ultimately this is all you need. So I gave this smaller version to my wife. She said,
"I love this charger. It's small, portable, and cute. Also, the built-in cable and the fact that you can plug it directly into the wall without needing extra cords is really nice."
Okay, it might not be essential, but if you have it, you'll definitely appreciate it. Google Chromecast. Just plug it into the HDMI port, and you can watch Netflix or Disney+. You can be a superhero for your family. You might get the daddy's dignity back too. Having an awesome toiletry pouch can significantly enhance your shower experience when you travel. The zipper and the materials are waterproof. One side for toothbrush and toothpaste, and the other for shampoo and body soap. This organization makes it easy to access your essentials without any hassle. And the design is cool. And you can hang this anywhere. So? Because it can keep essentials within easy reach, and off wet surfaces. I choose the Pocket backpack as my go-to because I love one-bag travel. No need to stress about leaving it unattended or waiting to retrieve it when you reach your destination. This is like a suitcase. There are tons of pockets and compartments too. It was expensive, but this is a good investment for me. This backpack keeps my hands free, making it easier and more efficient to move around. Here are my packing cubes and clothes. Do you think I'm not packing much for this 2-week trip to Japan? Well, I have these essential items with me. This is travel soap, allowing you to wash your clothes at the hotel without the hassle of finding a laundromat. And don't forget this stretchable hanger. This tiny thing is a must-have. It creates a space for you to dry your clothes in the hotel. I also tend to pack merino wool t-shirts and this Uniqlo ultra-light jacket. Lightweight clothes are really amazing when you travel. Next, city essentials. My camera of choice is the Sony a6400 paired with the Sigma 18 to 50mm lens. I like APS-C, and I believe this combo is absolutely top-notch. I use this wallet for my daily use here. However, when I travel, I use this wallet with a stretchable hook attached because I don't want to lose it. This also protects against theft. When you travel to Europe, be careful of pickpockets. I always carry an AirTag card. It's amazing how thin this card is. Losing your wallet while traveling is a nightmare, so prioritize safety over appearance. I always have my tech pouch with me. The bright orange interior makes it easy to organize and locate items quickly. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, you can find it for sale on Etsy and here. My wife is the designer. Yeah, she makes these. Lastly, don't forget to bring a weight checker for your luggage's weight. It's a handy tool to avoid any extra charges at the airport. Okay, that wraps up my videos. I hope this video was useful for you. Let me know what your essentials are. If you enjoy this video, make sure to watch these next.